Good morning to everybody. So already we completed the exercise 1.1. So today we will start exercise 1.2. Before that, tell me now, how will you add two positive integer? Yes, just you add them as a natural and give the plus sign. How will you add it to negative integer? How will you add it to negative integer? Ignore the sign, add them as a natural and give the negative sign, that is minus 5. To add a positive integer and negative integer, subtract the smaller number from the greater number and give the greater number sign, that is 3 minus 2 is 1, greater number sign is plus. Otherwise, minus 3 plus 2. 3 minus 2 is 1. Greater number sign is minus 1. Are you getting here? Yes. Now move to the exercise now. Write down a pair of integer whose sum is minus 7. Write down a pair of integer whose sum is minus 7. First question. Write down a pair of integer. Write down a pair of integer whose sum is minus 7. Whose sum is minus 7. So you can take anything. You can take two negative integer. You can take, otherwise one positive, one negative. You can take. You can take anything. For example, I am taking like a minus 1 plus minus 6. It's a pair of two integers. Am I right? It's a pair of two integers. Minus 1 and minus 6. It's a pair of integers to get whose sum is minus 7. Am I right here? Yes. Here please remember, plus into minus is minus. Okay. So that's what minus 1 minus 6 is what? Minus 7. Minus 1 minus 6 is what? Minus 7. And then difference is minus 10. What dear? Difference is minus 10. Difference is minus 10. So difference is minus 10 means what? So we take minus 25. Minus of minus 15 we will take. It's one integer, it's another integer. Whose difference? Difference means what? Subtraction. Am I right? Yes. Then minus 25 minus of minus 15 is how much dear? You can write like minus 25 minus of minus 15 is plus 15. Then minus 25 plus 15 is how much? Minus 10. Sir, are you getting? Yes. The difference is what? We are getting as minus 10. And then sum is 0. Sum is 0. So you can take anything, like take one positive integer and then negative, same negative integer. For example, 3 plus minus 3 or minus 2 plus 2. Am I right here? Okay. So we completed the first question. Now look at the second question. Write a pair of negative integer. Write a pair of negative integers whose difference gives 8. Whose difference gives 8. That is difference we need in positive. Am I right? So you can take like what you can take? Minus 6 minus of difference they are asking, but two negative pair of negative integers we need. So it's a negative integer, minus 6, difference minus, now 6 plus 8 is 14, am I right? So it should be minus 14. What we need? We need the difference is 8, am I right? Yes. So minus of minus 14 you can write. The minus 6, minus into minus is plus 14, minus 6 plus 14 is what? 8. Am I right here? So therefore the pair is minus 6 comma minus 14. Minus 6 comma minus 14. It's a required pair. It's a required pair. Now come to the second question now. Look at the second question now. Second part, that is second question, second part. Write a negative integer and a positive integer whose sum is minus 5. Negative and positive whose sum is 5. Whose sum is minus 5 or plus 5? Whose sum is minus 5? Okay. It's very simple. Write a negative integer and a positive integer whose sum is minus 5. So minus 10. plus 5. It's a pair. See, minus 10 plus 5, which is equal to minus 5, you can take. Am I right here? Whose sum is what? We need minus 5. So I am taking a negative integer is the minus 10 and positive integer is 5. So minus 10 plus 5 is what dear? Minus 5. And then come to the third point. Third is second question, third subdivision. Write a negative integer and a positive integer whose difference is minus 3. Whose difference is minus 3? Whose difference is minus 3? Here also you need one write a negative integer and a positive integer. Am I right? Okay. Write a negative integer and a positive integer whose difference is minus 3. So how can you take positive integer 3 minus, am I right sir? 3. What is the difference? What we need? We need the difference is minus 3. So minus 3 minus of minus 6 means it will become plus 9. Then 3 minus 6, that is minus 3. 3 minus 6 is what? Minus 3. But here we took the two integers are positive integer. But the question is write a negative integer and a positive integer. So what you can take like minus 9 am I right? Write a negative integer and a positive integer. So 9 minus 6, okay fine. 9 minus 6 is 3. So 3 minus 6 is minus 3. 3 minus 6 is minus 3. Are you getting it here? Yes. Now look at the question number 3 now. In a quiz, team A scored minus 40 plus 10, 0. In a quiz, team A scored minus 40 plus 10 and 0. In a quiz, team A scored minus 40, 10 and 0, and then team B scored 10, 0, minus 40 in 3 successive rounds. Which team scored more? Can we say that we can add integers in any order? Okay, see, that is score of team A, what it is given, minus 40, 10, 0, minus 40, 10, 0. Now the total score obtained by team A. Total score obtained by team A, that is minus 40 plus 10 plus 0. That is minus 40 plus 10 is how much dear? Minus 30. Minus 30 plus 0 is minus 30 only. Now score of team B. Score of team B. Score of team B. It's given 10, 0, minus 40. 10, 0, minus 40. Now the total score obtained by team B. Total score obtained by team B. That is 10 plus 0 plus minus 40. That is 10 plus 0 is 10. Plus into minus is minus 40. 10 minus 40 is minus 30. Now both the teams scored the same score. Am I right? So here what is the next question? What is the next question for you? Which team score more score? Am I right? Yes. Which team scored more? Here both the team scored same. Both team scored same. Alright, and then after that Can we say that we can add integers in any order? Yes, obviously, because it's associative property. Am I right? Yes, we can add integers in any order. A plus b equal to b plus a. Commutative property is satisfied. Associative property is also satisfied. Yes, we can add integers in any order. Am I right, sir? Are you getting here? Yes. In the next video, we will discuss the question number 4. Thank you, everybody. Thank you.